Hello, my name is Lisa, and I am from the technical support team at CryptoFlash. Today, I will show you how our software for flash mining Ethereum works. To get a one-day test access, you need to follow the link to our official Telegram bot, select the program, and follow the instructions. Here are the steps to get started. Download the CryptoFlash archive, unpack the archive, which contains a text file with a password and the installer. Run the installer and enter the password from the text file to activate the program. Launching the CryptoFlash program is simple. You just need to choose your mining power and enter your Ethereum wallet address. Follow the link to test or purchase our unique software for a lifetime license with lifetime support. Beware of scammers and counterfeits.